welcome back to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by Modelones. They sent me over their Polygel nail kit to try out, which I was super excited to try it because not only is this my first time doing my own nails in a minute, but it's my first time using the Polygel at all, y'all. And let me just tell y'all, Modelones never disappoints. Their kit literally has everything in it that you're going to need to get some bomb salon looking nails at home without paying that salon price. Okay, so let me just show y'all what is all in the kit. It comes nicely packaged in this little box here, and inside it you're gonna get a ton of stuff. You're going to get, of course, your clear polygel, some pink polygel, white polygel as well, and also your top and base coats for the polygel, some removal wipes, and 8 different nail polish colors to try out. And they're all really cute colors too. Oh, there you go. You can see it there. Yeah, but that's not all. You're also gonna get your dual forms, a nice compact LED lamp, a fingernail filer, and all the utensils that you're going to need. Some tweezers, a wooden stick that I just dropped on the floor, your cuticle pusher, and the brush to apply it. And it also comes with some rhinestones and the little ribbon tape to create different nail art designs as well. So literally, like I said, everything you're going to need to get some nice nails at home. So be sure to check the description box below for the link to where you can purchase this polygel nail kit from Modelones. And if you want to see how I got this particular nail look using this kit, stay tuned and keep watching. Alright, so I've already applied the polygel to the majority of my nails. I just have these last 2 left. And I first started by pushing my cuticles back with the cuticle pusher, and then I applied the base coat. So now I'm going to go ahead and apply the polygel. I've already measured out the dual forms that fit my fingers. So I'm just going to go in with the clear polygel and apply it directly to the dual form. Take my brush, and I have a little jar of alcohol here that I've been dipping it into there, taking off the excess, and then using that as a slip to help me spread out the polygel on the dual form. So now I'm just gonna go in and spread it out. Now I'm just going to put it on my nail and push down. Sometimes some excess polygel oozes out, but this time it looks like I'm good. So now I'm just going to cure this in the LED lamp. Now I'm just going to pop off the dual form. As you can see, I haven't really been making my tip of my nail like trying to make it perfect in the dual form because I'm just going to go and file it anyway. But anywho, so now I'm just going to cut this down a little bit because it's way too long. And I'm just going to file the nail or shape it to my liking. Alright, so here is the final look that I am going for. I already completed my right hand and added some cuticle oil to each finger. So let me show y'all what I did. So I'm using the same brush that I used to apply the polygel to apply the nail gel polish. This is different from your typical gel polish because it's like more of a cream. It's called the Solid Painting Nail Gel. and I'm using the Modelones color number 021. And here is what it looks like in the container. Okay, so yeah. So I'm just dipping, oh, you can't see. Just dipping my brush into the polish and just applying it like regular nail polish. And I'm also being sure to apply thin layers. So now I'm just going to cure this in the LED lamp. Alright, now I'm just going to go over it with the top coat. And now the fun part, bedazzling the nails. So I'm just going to go in using my gel adhesive that I purchased a long time ago right here. And I'm just going to apply it to each nail, only to the parts where I plan to put the rhinestone. Then I'm going to use my tweezers to help me pick up each rhinestone, place them on the nails, and then cure them once I have them exactly where I need the rhinestones to be. And here is my final look. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I will see y'all next time.